This is question number 7b. Differentiate square root of 1 minus x cubed. So let's solve. I have y to be equal to square root of 1 minus x cubed. Let's unbox this square root. Y is equal to 1 minus x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1 over 2. So we have a chain rule, a function of a function. We'll be making use of chain rule to solve it. The y over the x is equal to the y over the u, differentiating y with respect to u, times the u over the x. Okay, so that means we need u in this our expression or function. What is our u? We say let u be equal to the function inside the bracket, which is 1 minus x raised to the power 3. That means that my y will now be u raised to the power 1 over 2. Since we said that u is now the function inside the bracket, this bracket now, that means that bracket, which is now u, is raised to the power 1 over 2. Then let's differentiate. Differentiate u with respect to x. That is this function. If I differentiate a constant, I will have 0. If I differentiate x raised to the power 3, I will have 3x raised to the power 2, because 3 minus 1 will give me 2. You recall how we differentiate. So the next thing we'll do is to differentiate the second function, the u over the y over the u. Differentiating here, the power will come down. I'll have 1 over 2u. Then 1/2 minus 1 will give me minus 1 over 2. Yeah, half minus 1 is minus half. Then multiply the two functions. Look at this. The first one multiply the second one. So I'll say 3x squared multiplying 1 over 2u raised to the power minus 1 over 2. Then if we multiply, I'll have 3x squared over 2. 3x squared times 1 give me this, u raised to the power minus 1 over 2. Then let us recall that u is equal to 1 minus x raised to the power 3. So let's bring it back here. That means I'll have 3x squared over 2 in a bracket 1 minus x raised to the power 3. And then remember we have this guy, minus 1 over 2. We will not leave it here. Let's handle this power, this negative power. That means what I will have now is 3x squared over 2, 1 over the square root, 1 over the square root of 1 minus x raised to the power 3. We can still break it down as 3x squared over 2 square root of 1 minus x raised to the power 3. This is the appropriate answer. What happened there is that this is a coefficient of a fraction. So the numerator will multiply this one to give us this. And whenever you have a negative as your power, you can take the 1 over the function you have. Look at this. Because of this negative, we take 1 over this same guy. Then because of this 1 over 2, we are taking the square root of this function alone. Remember that this one is not inclusive. It's just about this one. That is how we got to this case.